How's it going, everybody? Over here we have a 2014 Nissan Altima. It's a 2.5 liter, but my cousin got into an accident. As you can see, the airbag went off. We couldn't really find any good videos, so here I am making one. I'm going to go over how to remove the actual airbag assembly from the steering wheel and then how to disconnect the connector. As you can see, I had to destroy one to figure it out, so I'm just hoping I can help you out so you don't have to destroy your connector. First thing, to remove the airbag, what's holding it in place are these two tabs right here on the steering wheel. All right. If you look on the airbag itself, you have these two metal clips, one here and one here. The whole concept is you're going to take a screwdriver, push through this hole on the side of the steering wheel right over here, it's at a little angle, and then if you come over here and see where the screwdriver is, you're trying to push this metal clip right here out so it goes around that tab. Okay, so once you get one side loose, you go ahead on the other side, do the same thing, push against that tab, and then when both tabs are off, it's just going to pull out just like this. Okay, the only thing that's going to hold it on place now is these three connectors. Now obviously the horn connector is easy. It was just right over here. You just pull that out. These two connectors were kind of a pain. I destroyed one to figure it out until I found out, hey, half the yellow is actually part of the airbag and the other half is part of the connector. I'm going to put this one back in, okay? All you have to do, oops, I pushed that in already. All right, so it's in right now. I destroyed it. It's okay, I'm going to get a new connector, a new airbag anyways. But all you have to do is take a screwdriver, a little mini screwdriver. There's a little slot right there. You put the screwdriver behind that slot, and this is really sensitive, so pry carefully, take your time with it. You're going to pry up until this black piece comes up just a little bit, and just going to wiggle up. All right, just like that. It's going to feel like it's on there really tight, but it shouldn't be too hard, and that's how you take the connector off. So that's all I have for you. If you have a better method of doing this, that's the best way I found. This is my first time doing this, and I found one helpful video for the connector, and that's about it. If there's any questions, comments, concerns, or if I did this completely incorrect and you have a better way, please comment below and let's talk. Thanks for watching. Peace.